Hello! We're out on a wild camp. It's been a little while. I think it was back end of July I was last out. Just been busy with, we had a week away and then I was away down in the southwest last weekend. It's a busy time of year. But I'm not in work till tomorrow. I was in this morning, not in till tomorrow night, so the window of opportunity, well, the weather window of opportunity is tonight. I was going to go Friday night. That's looking naff. So tonight, I mean, it doesn't look much better now, like, but it's supposed to clear up around about 6 o'clock. It's about 4:15 now, so there's possibility of a few showers and then clearing. We're hoping. But I've brought the waterproofs, so if you get a few showers, not a problem. Anyhow, let's crack on. Right. Yeah, some decent looking fungi already. I'm surprised with all this rain we've had, mind. Looks like an Amanita muscara coming up. There's one. You can just see it behind there, the red one. But yeah, I suppose this is the season for them coming into it now. Alright, you can just see where we're going. It's just about shrouded in cloud. So hopefully it's going to blow through this naff weather and then it'll clear up. That's what the forecast said anyhow, but hey, believe that when it happens. So it's just trying to rain again, but it's, as you can see, it's trying to get out. There's a big black cloud clearing. I'm hoping it's heading east and clears. Otherwise I could get wet. Yep. But as I say, behind us it's trying to clear through. As you can see, black head, but it's all heading that way. As I say, coming in from this side, it's a lot brighter, so fingers crossed we will be alright. Right, I'll just do a quick check on Blackline. Yeah, not much of a lock, is there? Hello? All is quiet. Yep. I will have to do a camp in here. I'll wait till a wet, miserable winter night. Get that stove fired up. Right, that's enough. Not much of a lock, but hey, that's how it was. Yep, this is my usual camping spot when I'm camping in the forest. But, we're heading up the track further up tonight. Let's crack on. On the plus side, it's definitely brightened up. It did say, you know, around about 6, and I think it's about, it's 5:20, so we're getting there, so it's definitely brightening up, and hopefully we'll have a dryish night. It's forecast for a little bit of rain in the morning and then clear a bit, hopefully enough time for me to get back down to the car and then chuck it down again. Bring you back there if it's out interesting. Right, that's us eventually out of the trees. About 20 past 6. We made it to the summit, Christianbury. Well, nearly. So I'll get up there and get pitched up before any rain comes. Still looks a bit ominous up there. Incoming shower just as I arrive at the top. Very gloomy up here. Okay, that's us all set up in a fashion. I'll have to go around it all and give it a nip up. But yeah, it's a bit blowy, which is good. It'll keep all the midges and nasties away. Hopefully stop the tent from condensating up, because it's supposed to be really humid tonight. 80% humidity, so but yeah. Where's this clear sky that was promised? This just seems to be hanging over me. It's a bit blowy, all set up. I'm just doing my tea, nothing special tonight. Just a vegetarian all day breakfast for tea, as you do. I'm just eating up what I've got left. So yeah, plenty of room in the Lunar Solo tonight. This is the first time I've used this one up here. The last time I was here, I think it was I'd done the summer solstice in the soloist. So yeah, I've done the winter camp in the Actor, obviously. This will probably be the last run out for this Lunar Solo, possibly before the weather turns. I mean, it's pretty Baltic up here now, and that sun dips in and out. But it's not a bad night. Not a bad night. Still a bit of cloud knocking about, but I'm all pitched and ready. Boiling me tea up, so shouldn't be too long and I'll be eating. Plenty of mess as usual. Right. Yeah, I'm just using up ration packs that are getting close to the date. Still got a few left that I need to get through. Temperatures are definitely plummeted up here. I don't think we're going to get much of a sunset. It's done a bit of a visage on us, and it's faded to grey as usual. But still, it stayed dry, which is always a bonus, isn't it? It's pretty grim up here now. You can already already start to feel moisture forming on the tent. Everything's side starting to feel damp, that much moisture in the air. So I have brought my bivvy bag tonight as well, so I might just put the sleeping bag in that. It's an extra layer, also keeps it a bit drier. Right, it's gonna call it a night. It's dry, so I am gonna settle down and I will see you all in the morning. Morning! Well, true to the words, the rain has arrived. It stayed dry all night. It's been windy, quite windy last night. Sun was flapped about most of the night. But just as I was waking up, the rain's come. So if we pack up from the inside job this morning. Right, I'm a bit tent bound at the moment. I'm not going out in this. I will just have to sit it out and see if it eases off. Because pretty miserable. Yeah, I fully charged the GoPro last night before I went to Kip. Get up this morning and the battery's discharged itself, so I'm having to charge it back up again. No idea why. In the clag. You should be able to see the trees down there, but you cannot see a thing. Right, we're in the claggy. Not much to see. Right, nearly packed up. Just got a couple more things in the tent I'll give it it's stopped raining about 10-15 minutes ago, just there's enough chance to get packed away. I'll give it a quick wipe down. It'll have to be dried off when I get home, but yeah, you can see the mist rolling in. Yeah, definitely no sunrise. Right, that's us all packed up, cleaned away, no mess. Just some little bits of custard that exploded out the packet last night. But I'm sure the birds will eat those in due course. Anyhow, let's head down out to this clag. Right, we're out the woods now and out the into the clear and out of the clag, really. Still a bit messy behind us. Sun's trying to break through now. Okay, so I'm making this the last bit of film, and the GoPro battery is on its way out, and it's starting to rain, so we're not far to the car, but another mile or so I'll soon be back. Just like to say a big thanks for I'm nearly up to the 500 subs, which is absolutely brilliant. Anyhow, we'll catch you out on the next one, whenever that will be. Thanks for watching.